Hello friends, welcome to fourth Bricks Android tutorial. In this tutorial we will learn how to set up the emulator. Emulator is a virtual device which you can use to test all your code on computer itself. So to set up the virtual device or emulator, you need to click on this button named Android Virtual Device Manager, or in short it's called AVD. So if you will click on this button, this is my, I have already created one virtual device, so let it delete it. Okay, it's saying some problem is there with this, so don't worry about that. So to create a new emulator, just click on this button called new. It will ask for a name, you can give it any name, my phone. You need to select device. So here you will find many devices, but what I would suggest you to select the smallest device which is there, because to run an Android software you need a big memory of and good speed processor, but as your computer is already running operating system and lots of softwares are running, so it may be possible that if you will select a heavy phone, it will run very slow and it will irritate you. It may be possible that it will take time longer than 20-30 minutes. So better to use smallest device for testing purpose. And if you have an Android phone, final testing you can do on real phone. So just select this. You need to select the target, which will be depend on the SDK version you are using. Then camera option is there. If you want, you can use it. If you are using any camera related API, you will need camera thing. And don't change anything. Just you set. You need to set two things: the name of your device and device you need to select. And click on the OK button. It will create a device for you, which you can use for testing your code. So here you can see now we have two emulator. One is my phone and new is the old one which I was using previously. So if you want to run this, just select it and click on the start button. It will ask for the size related thing. Don't change anything. Just click on launch. So it will launch an Android phone, or actually a virtual Android phone on your computer, which you can use as a emulator, and you can run all your project, all your softwares on this emulator. So just wait for few minutes, it will run this thing. It's starting now. As I have selected a very small phone, so its screen size is very small. If you will select a bigger Android phone, the screen size will be bigger. But as I told you, it will take, if you will select a bigger phone, it will take lots of time to start the phone, to run your software. Maybe possible that your software will run very slow, and it will not a problem, but it may irritate you. So for my view, it's the best option to select the smallest or simplest phone available in this list, and use it as emulator. So as you can see, the emulator is now running. You just click on this OK button, and this is your phone ready to use for your software. In this phone, these three buttons are side buttons. On your phone, you will find on the side two volume buttons, one for volume up, one for volume down, one to switch off. If you will press this, the emulator will switch off. And these three buttons are there on your phone, just below front screen. So these buttons are for that. So now you can use this emulator thing with your projects to test those projects. Just click on close button of this Android Virtual Device Manager. So now you have this emulator running, and this is Eclipse running. So in next tutorial we will see how to use these two things to create our first project. So thank you for watching this tutorial. We will meet again in next tutorial.